Okay. Second take. We are going back home. Ay! Si Zahar. Zahar, tugugur ti slur mo ah. Bakit ba teriak? We shout abis exam. Belum habis exam. Lupa.
You first lah.
Sakit leher. Ini mana lagi Tina? They always at the back. Okay, main air. Look at Zahar. Yung main air. And look at sunset. Ooh. Nice. The best scenery ever. Okay, going back. We're going to walk all the way to there. Because that's where our car will be. Apa? Pusing di mana? Oh. Pusing ke UBD. Normal lah. Apa namanya tuh? Menuai. Kalau masuk dalam padi ni.
Apa?
Si Zahar menuai.
That is so random.
Hey Zahar, just did.
I know lah, tapi
menuai padi kau tadi.
apa?
Menuai padi.
Aku. Leslie kita.
Mana?
Yeah.
Habis here already, is it? Ya lah, Melissa. Dorang stress kan?
Dorang saja.
Dorang saja.
Aneh.
Oh sorry. You also stress. Okay.
Bila season kamu ni kan?
Ay,
Allah. Kau terusin ya.
Look! Who love this? Kasihan juga. Look at that. Who love this?
Kenapa ni apa?
Oh, that is so kasihan, you see?